Good day sa'yo! Here's how to use my glucometer, Sinocare Safe Accu 2, which I use for my blood sugar monitoring. Sana bibili and magkano? Hi, my name is Abby. I am currently on my second pregnancy, and there's my soon-to-be kuya, Klaus. He is turning 5 in January 2024. Lately, I've been sharing to you my journey as a pregnant mom with gestational diabetes. I'm sharing the food that I cook and eat in a day, my meal prep to maintain my balanced and controlled diet, my insulin injection, which is 3 times a day, and my blood sugar monitoring, which is 4 times a day. Okay, so I'm using nga yung Sinocare Safe Accu 2, the glucometer blood sugar monitoring device, lancing device, test strip, and lancet or yung needle. Rotate to remove the cap, then insert the disposable blood lancet. Twist the protective head of the lancet. Screw back the cap of the lancing device and then adjust the puncture depth level. Depends if you have rough skin, then you can go up to 5 para yon sa makakalyo yung daliri. As for myself, I just rotate and go with number 3. At the bottom of the lancing device, pull back the lever and release. Press the ejection button to check the depth of the needle. Pull back again the bottom lever so it's ready for later. Now, let's prepare the test strip. Get one out from the bottle. Close it back quickly so that the other strips inside won't get contaminated. Get your glucometer device and insert the test strip on the strip port. And when you see that blood icon flashing on the screen, then it's good to go. Then I wipe again my fingers all at once with either a tissue or a cotton with alcohol. And I can choose the finger I want to prick on. And gosh, whenever you're ready, press the eject button. To not get confused, remember that's the side where the blood sample goes. When you hear the beep sound, that means nagka-countdown na to 10 seconds and then you're gonna get the result. Yay! 127 lang. Threshold is 140. So good job. Okay, cleanup time. Just press your pierced finger on the tissue or a cotton with an alcohol. I just put back the head of the needle para iwas tusok and safe then once disposed. Put back the cap on, twist to lock. On the same tissue you use to pat dry blood, put there the disposable lancet or yung needle. Then get the glucometer, pull the test strip out of the device, wrap them in a tissue together with the needle, and dispose properly. My mama-in-law bought this at Raon for 1,000 pesos. Pero I found a Lazada store na mas cheaper. And whenever I need a refill for my lancets and strips, I just order them on Lazada. And usually, nare-receive ko siya day after I ordered it. So, mabilis lang. Links are in the comment section and or my bio. So there, blessings!